In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive to share large files through Gmail. Let's get started right from your Gmail inbox. Once you're signed in, look toward the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Compose. This is the button you normally use to start a new email. Go ahead and click on Compose. When you do, a new message window will open, usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. In this new message window, you can enter the recipient's email address, your subject line, and the body of your message just like you normally would. It's a good idea to write a short note explaining what the file is, especially if it's large, so the person knows what to expect when they open it. Now, instead of attaching a file the usual way, we're going to attach it from Google Drive. Look at the row of icons at the bottom of the Compose window. You'll see a small triangular icon that represents Google Drive. If you hover your mouse over it, it should say something like Insert Files using Drive. Click on that Google Drive icon. When you click it, a Google Drive window will pop up. This is where you can choose which file or folder you want to share. If the file is already in your Drive, you can browse through the tabs like My Drive, Shared with Me, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it. Just click once on the file or folder you want to send. If the file is not yet in Drive, look for an option in that window to upload a file from your computer. You can select it from your folders, and Google will upload it directly into Drive and prepare it to be attached to the email. This might take a little time if the file is very large, so be patient and wait for the upload to finish. Once you've selected your file, you'll see options to insert it either as a Drive link or, in some cases, as an attachment. For large files, using a Drive link is the best choice because it avoids size limits. After you confirm, Gmail will insert a clickable Google Drive link into your email. At this point, just review the email, make sure your message looks good, and hit send. Gmail and Google Drive will guide you with on-screen prompts if any permission changes are needed, so your recipient can access the file. Follow those prompts and your large file is now shared successfully through Google Drive.